like the beat of a tom-tom, or when the jungle shadows fall. I like the tick-tick-tock of the Stanley clock as it stands against the wall. I like the drip of the raindrops when the summer shadow is through. So a voice within me keeps repeating you, night and day. You are the one, only you, beneath the moon and under the sun. Whether near to me or far, it's no matter, darling, where you are. I think of you night and day, and day and night,
day and night.
Why is it so?
Why is it so
that this longing for you follows wherever I go? In the road, in traffic's boom, in the silence of my lonely room, I think of you night and day,
night and day,
night and day. Under the height of me, there's no such a hungry yearning burning inside of me. And it's storm and won't be through till you let me spend my life making love to you day and night, night and day. The height of me, there is no such a hungry yearning burning inside of me. And it's time and won't be through till you let me spend my life making love to you day and night,
day and night,
night and day.
night